Welcome everyone. Question on physical chemistry. Reaction 2I minus plus H2OH 2 minus 2I2 plus 2SO4 2 minus. For this reaction, if ionic strength increases, then the rate constant. Choices are A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Remains unchanged, D. First increases and then decreases. Answer is A. Increases. Explanation we will see in the next slide. We know from Bronsted-Beram equation log K is equal to log K0 plus 1.02 ZA ZB root mu, where K is the rate constant at given ionic strength and K0 is the rate constant at 0 ionic strength. ZA and ZB are charges on ions A and B, and mu is the ionic strength. Our given reaction is 2I minus plus H2OH 2 minus 2I2 plus 2SO4 2 minus. Here both ZA and ZB are negative. Hence, ZA into ZB is positive. Therefore, the rate constant increases with ionic strength. Thank you for watching this video.